Hey everyone, Monique and Krista here with the Center for Biblical Unity.
And we have an exciting announcement for you.
The Center for Biblical Unity's second annual UP conference is coming soon.
UP stands for Uniting People, and our theme for this year's conference is Biblical Justice in an Age of Social Justice.
We're going to be bringing clear definitions to words like justice, oppression, marginalization, and looking at practical ways that we can do justice today.
We have some amazing keynote and breakout speakers that are going to be presenting at the conference, and you will have the opportunity to learn from this amazing panel of people.
Our speakers will include Scott Allen, author of Why Social Justice is Not Biblical Justice, Abraham Hamilton III, policy analyst at American Family Radio and host of Hamilton's Corner. We'll be giving a talk on how to exegete your community, and then I will round out the conference with a charge to do justice.
Now, if that's not enough for you, we will also have some amazing breakout sessions by Dr. Cal Beisner. He is going to be talking to us about human rights and what is a human right and how are human rights being redefined.
Latasha Fields, she is a homeschool advocate and speaks to churches about how they can grab a vision for having a homeschool community right on their campus.
Our friend and blogger Sam Say will be bringing a talk about justice for the unborn and some practical steps that local churches can take to help protect the unborn in their area.
And then I will tackle steps that ministries or individuals can take to be able to start their own justice ministry. Now, we also have 2 other breakout sessions scheduled, but they're still in the planning phase.
Now, the cost of the conference begins at $45, and you'll be able to purchase an individual license or a license for your church or group so you can watch together wherever you are. This is a 100% virtual conference, so it's a wonderful opportunity to get some people together and watch.
Okay, I know that that's a lot of information, so let me summarize or recap our UP conference. The second annual Uniting People conference will be September 9th to 11th. This is a completely virtual conference. Ticket prices start at $45. There will be 4 plenary sessions and 6 breakout sessions to choose from.
So you can get all the details over on the website. Just go to centerforbiblicalunity.com/up2021. And you can get all the information there.
We look forward to seeing you in September.